Welcome back. Let's do question 2D2. Point A and B in the first quadrant are points on the quadrilateral ABCD. Equation of line DC is given as y is equal to -1/3x minus 1. DC forms an angle theta with the x-axis as indicated. If it is further given that the equation of the line BC is x is equal to 6, show that triangle ABD is isosceles. But we found the length of AD. Now, if this line is x is equal to 6, means it's a vertical line, right? So we want to show that triangle ABD, so which is this, right? So we have the length of AD. If we prove that the length of AB is also 3√10, then we can conclude and say triangle ABD is an isosceles triangle. So now we need to find the coordinates of B. Alright, from the equation here, we know that the x-coordinate of B is 6. So this is 6. Now we need to find the y-coordinate. How can we find the y-coordinate? We have the equation of AB, which is this equation. Where there's x, we put 6, and then we're going to find our y. So it's going to be y is equal to -1/3. Where there's x, we put 6, and then plus 9. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 6, 2. So y is equal to -2 plus 9, which is y is equal to 7. So this is 7. So now we have the coordinates of B and the coordinates of A. We can find AB. AB is equal to, you can say -3 minus 6. -3 minus 6, then squared, plus, we're using the distance formula, 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 squared. Then put this thing in the calculator. AB is equal to 3√10. So this is also 3√10. So therefore, triangle ABD is an isosceles triangle, since we have two sides that are equal in length.